try to ferret out the truth. Kung ano ba talaga. Kasi as our president said, he was horrified. So are we. Kasi isa po na meron na isang gentleman's agreement. Although, may nagsasabi meron sinasabi wala. So, dapat malaman natin ano talaga. At ano pa talaga ang kasunduan noon kasi yung po ang in-invoke ng China ngayon. So, legally speaking, if you ask me as a lawyer, that has no force and effect. However, it has created this row. Past officials.
Up to President Duterte, possible, sir?
We can start off with the past officials kasi sila din ang dapat ang nag-execute kung may agreement, di dapat siguro yung foreign affairs nila, yung executive secretary, kung may EO, diba? At saka yung mga nagsalita na meron. Pero yung iba, meron din yung isang press secretary nagsalita na meron. Yung isa naman, wala naman daw. So ano ba talaga? Nabubudol-budol lang, binudol lang nila yung China. Ngayon, nagbubudulan sila dyan sa loob ng